Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Sara English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. I'm really happy you're here with us today. This is the kind of lesson you can enjoy slowly without stress or pressure.
Mike, before we begin, let me ask you something simple. How was your day today?
It was a mix of busy and calm. I worked in the morning, and later I took a short walk to clear my head.
That already sounds very English because you just used our word for today naturally.
Oh yes, I didn't even think about it.
And that's exactly the point of this episode.
Today, we're talking about a word you hear everywhere, but many learners feel confused about.
The word is take.
Such a small word, but it shows up all day long.
You take your phone, you take a shower, you take the bus, you take a break.
Sometimes learners stop and think, why is the same word used for so many different things?
And that confusion is very normal.
But here's the good news. You don't need to memorize long explanations or grammar rules.
You just need to feel how take lives in everyday English.
Today, we'll focus on the most common and natural uses.
The kind you hear at home, at work, outside, and in daily conversation.
And by the end, take will feel friendly instead of confusing.
Let's start with a very easy idea.
Take is often about your body and your hands.
When you pick something up, you can usually say take.
Very physical, very real.
Imagine you are at home in the morning.
You wake up and reach for a glass of water.
You take a glass of water.
Your phone is on the table.
You take your phone.
Before leaving, you see your keys.
You take your keys.
This meaning is simple. You are holding or picking up something.
And you can practice this every single day without trying hard.
Take your bag. Take your wallet. Take your notebook.
Friends listening right now can even look around and practice.
What can you take near you?
This is real English, not textbook English.
Now, let's gently expand this idea.
Sometimes take is not only holding something, but carrying it with you.
You move from one place to another and the object goes with you.
For example, if it looks cloudy outside,
You take an umbrella.
if you go to work or school,
You take your bag.
if you prepare food at home.
You take lunch with you.
Many learners ask about take and bring.
We won't make it complicated today.
Just remember this feeling.
When you leave your place, you usually take something.
That's enough for now.
English doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be natural.
Let's talk about another very common and very friendly use of take.
This one is about daily actions.
Actions you do for your body or your mind.
For example, in English, we say take a shower.
Not do a shower, but take a shower, emphasis.
After working or studying, you might say, I take a break.
When you feel tired in the afternoon,
You take a nap.
smile.
These phrases are extremely common.
Native speakers use them without thinking.
And once you start using them, your English sounds more natural instantly.
Take a shower, take a break, take a nap.
Notice how calm and simple they feel.
No grammar stress, just everyday English.
Let's pause for a moment.
Friends listening, think about your day today. Did you take a break?
Did you take a shower?
This is how English connects to real life.
Another gentle use of take is about time.
When we talk about how long something needs, we often use take without realizing it.
For example, learning English takes time.
Not fast, not slow, just steady.
You can also say, it takes 10 minutes to walk here.
Or, it takes a lot of effort to cook dinner.
Here, take is not physical.
It measures time or energy.
And this use is very important for daily conversation.
You use it when talking about your routine, your work, or your goals.
Slowly, you'll start saying it takes naturally without thinking.
That's when English begins to feel lighter.
So far, take is not scary at all.
It's actually helping us talk about real life, hands, actions, time, daily habits.
All connected with one simple word.
Let's keep staying calm and natural.
English grows best when you relax and listen.
And take is already becoming part of your thinking. As we continue, let's stay with this calm feeling, because take is still with us in many small moments.
Yes, and now we'll look at how take appears when we talk about movement and travel.
This is one of the most common uses in daily English.
You hear it when people talk about going somewhere.
For example, when you go to work or school,
You take a bus.
or you take a train.
Sometimes you take a taxi if you are tired or it is raining.
This use of take is about choosing a way to move,
You don't hold the bus in your hands, but you still take it.
and that can feel strange for learners at first.
But once you hear it often, it becomes normal.
I take the bus every morning.
I take the train on Fridays.
Friends, simple sentences like these are very powerful.
Because they are real-life English.
You also hear take when asking for help.
For example, which bus should I take?
Or which train do I take to the city center?
These are very natural questions.
And you don't need perfect grammar to sound clear.
Now, let's shift gently to another meaning. Pause.
Take is also used when we talk about accepting something.
This is very common in polite conversation.
Imagine someone says something kind to you.
They say, "You did a great job."
You smile and you take the compliment.
You don't push it away.
You accept it calmly.
This use of take feels emotional, not physical.
Another example is advice.
If a teacher or friend gives you advice,
You can say, I take your advice.
it sounds calm and respectful.
And sometimes take is about responsibility.
For example, I take responsibility for my mistake.
This sentence sounds honest and mature,
Notice how take changes meaning depending on the situation,
but it never feels strange to native speakers.
because they feel the situation first.
That's what we want for you too, feeling English instead of translating.
Let's move to something lighter now. Smile.
Common phrases with take that you hear every day.
These are not difficult expressions.
They are friendly and warm. First one, take care.
We say this when someone is leaving.
It's kind and gentle.
Not formal, not cold.
Just human English.
Another one is take it easy, laugh.
We say this when someone feels stressed.
Or when we want to remind ourselves to relax.
You can even say it to yourself. Take it easy, Mike. Smile.
That's self-care in English.
Another very polite phrase is take your time.
We say this when there is no rush.
When someone is nervous or busy.
Take your time sounds kind and patient.
And one more very common phrase.
Take a look.
We say this when we want to show something.
Take a look at this photo.
Take a look at this message.
These phrases live in daily conversation.
You don't study them, you hear them.
And soon, you start using them naturally.
Now let's practice gently together.
Friends listening, try to repeat softly.
Take your phone.
Take your bag.
Take your time.
It takes time.
I take the bus.
Notice how simple the sentences are.
English does not need to be long to be correct.
Short sentences are often the most natural.
Let's talk about a few common mistakes calmly. Smile.
Many learners say, I do a shower.
But in natural English, we say, I take a shower.
Another one is make a break.
The natural phrase is take a break.
These small changes make a big difference.
They help your English sound smooth.
And mistakes are part of learning.
Everyone makes them.
The important thing is noticing.
And slowly adjusting.
No pressure, no stress.
Just listening and repeating.
Now, think about your own day. Pause.
What do you take every day?
Maybe you take coffee in the morning.
Maybe you take the bus to work.
Maybe learning English takes time for you.
All of these sentences are correct.
This is how take becomes part of your life.
Not a rule, but a habit.
And when English becomes a habit,
It feels easier and more comfortable. Smile.
We are still inside the world of take, and it's already doing a lot of work for us.
Let's stay together in this calm space for a little longer, because this is where English really starts to feel natural.
Yes, at this point, take is no longer a strange word. It's something you already recognize in your daily life.
And that feeling is very important for learning.
When a word feels familiar, you don't fight with it anymore.
You simply use it.
Let's slow down and look at everyday life again.
In the morning, many people wake up and take their phone first.
Some people take a glass of water.
Others take a shower to start the day fresh.
These are not special sentences,
They are normal life sentences.
and that's exactly why they matter.
English is not only for exams or books.
It's for mornings, afternoons, and quiet evenings.
Now let's think about routines.
When you talk about what you usually do, take helps a lot.
You can say, I usually take coffee in the morning.
Or I usually take the bus to work.
You can also say, I usually take a short break in the afternoon.
These sentences are calm and clear.
They sound natural because they describe real habits.
Another very important use of take is when we talk about time.
Learning English takes time.
That sentence is true for everyone.
It doesn't mean slow learning.
It means steady learning.
You can also say, it takes me 10 minutes to get to school.
Or it takes effort to stay focused after a long day.
With take, you can explain your energy and your schedule.
And that helps you communicate honestly.
Let's gently practice together again.
Friends listening, say this in your own way.
It takes time to,
You can say it takes time to feel confident.
or it takes time to understand English podcasts.
Both are perfect sentences.
Now let's move into social English.
This part is very important for confidence.
Imagine someone says something nice to you.
Maybe they say, your English is getting better.
You smile and take the compliment.
You don't push it away.
You don't say, no, no, no.
You simply accept kindness.
That is strong English.
Take is also useful when talking about advice.
If a friend gives you advice, you can say, I take your advice.
It sounds polite and thoughtful.
And when something goes wrong,
You can say, I take responsibility.
this sentence shows honesty and maturity.
Take helps you express actions and feelings together.
That's why it appears everywhere in English.
Let's review calmly one last time.
Take can mean picking something up.
Take can mean carrying something with you.
Take can describe daily actions like showers and breaks.
Take can talk about time and effort.
Take can be used for travel and transport.
Take can express acceptance and responsibility.
One word, many lives.
And you don't need to master it today.
You only need to notice it.
Notice when you take your phone.
Notice when you take a break.
Notice when something takes time.
This awareness is how English slowly enters your thinking,
Without force.
without stress.
Just gently.
Learning English is not about being perfect.
It's about being patient with yourself.
Every small sentence matters.
Every mistake is part of growth.
And every day you take one small step forward.
We're really glad you spent this time with us today.
Thank you for listening and learning in this calm way.
If you want to practice, try writing one simple sentence with take about your day.
Or say it quietly to yourself later.
English grows when you use it in real moments.
Not when you pressure yourself.
Keep going at your own pace.
Keep listening.
Keep practicing.
And most importantly, take it easy.
Take care, friends.
This is Sara from Talk Sara English.
and this is Mike.
We'll see you again very soon.